Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to log in into Brawl Stars with Supercell ID. If you're switching devices or reinstalling the game, Supercell ID is the safest way to log back in. First of all, open Brawl Star and wait for the main screen to load. After it loads fully, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and then open Supercell ID. If you already have an ID, choose to log in. After that, enter your email link to your Supercell ID. Supercell will send a verification code to that email. Enter the code exactly as received. If you do not receive the code, also try looking for it in the promotions or the spam folders. Sometimes it might get lost over there. Once you're verified, enter the code exactly as received. Once verified, your account will sync automatically, including trophies, Brawl Stars, brawlers, and progress. If the game asks which account to load, always choose the one with higher progress to avoid overriding data. After logging in, you're fully restored and safe from data loss, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.